Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to check missed calls on a Vtech cordless phone. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, when you get to your Vtech cordless phone and it shows a certain number of missed calls, you probably want to know how to check those missed calls. So let's say you missed 10 calls, it's going to say 10 missed calls. And those calls will remain as new missed calls until you check them. So that will sort of remain there and they will stay as new until you check them, okay? So what I'm going to show you how to do is how to check those missed calls. So most Vtech cordless phones are going to have similar button layout to this, a similar button layout to this. So what you're going to do is press the CID button, which stands for caller ID. You're going to press that button. I'm sorry about the poor lighting, but I'm doing my best here. So you're going to press the caller ID button, okay? And it says call log empty because I don't have any missed calls. But if you did have missed calls, you could see them there. You could scroll through them. And every time you scroll through one of them that had a new missed call icon with it, it would reduce the number of missed calls to fewer. So let's say you had 10 missed calls and you looked through 5 of them on this menu right here, then you would be reduced to 5 missed calls, okay? The other option is if you go to the menu, so if we're from the main screen here, we're gonna hit menu, okay? Then as you can see, it says directory. We're gonna scroll, settings, okay? Scroll, set date, time, ringers, caller ID log. I'm gonna select that. And then I can review it, which will bring me to the same screen as before, or I can delete all calls. So I can actually delete all the calls by clicking this, or I can review it, which is the same screen as before, because it says call log empty. That's it. That is how to check missed calls on a Vtech cordless phone, an easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.